Capture One is often touted as the best professional photo editor out there, but does it live up to the hype? With a focus on raw image processing and powerful editing tools, let's dive in and see what it really offers for photographers. Capture One is designed primarily for professional photographers, emphasizing raw image processing with a level of detail that's hard to match. The interface is sleek and customizable, which is great for users who want to tailor their workspace. One of the standout features is its color grading tools, which allow for precise adjustments that can really bring images to life. The tethering capabilities are impressive, making it a popular choice for studio photography. However, while the software offers a range of advanced features, it can feel overwhelming for beginners. There's a steep learning curve, and some users may find themselves frustrated when trying to navigate through all the options. Additionally, Capture One supports a variety of camera systems, which is a plus, but the lack of comprehensive tutorials and resources could leave some users feeling lost. Overall, it's a powerful tool, but its complexity may not be for everyone. When it comes to pros, Capture One shines with its exceptional color grading tools and robust tethering options, making it ideal for professionals who need precise control over their images. The customizable interface is another highlight, allowing for a personalized workflow that can boost efficiency. On the flip side, the steep price tag might deter some users, especially those just starting out in photography. The learning curve is significant. New users may find themselves frustrated with the abundance of features and limited beginner resources. Additionally, while it supports a wide range of cameras, some users have reported occasional compatibility issues. In summary, Capture One is fantastic for serious photographers, but may not suit casual users or those who prefer a more straightforward editing experience. In conclusion, Capture One is a powerful editing tool that excels in professional settings, particularly for those who prioritize image quality and customization. If you're a seasoned photographer, it's worth considering. However, if you're just starting or prefer simplicity, you might want to explore other alternatives first. Overall, it's a solid investment for the right user.